Everybody's moving across the town. The skyline grows and the cut of the clothes is enough to turn you around. Oh, the future is just an hour away and the hearts of youth are aflame. Everybody's moving, nothing stays the same. Turning, the bridges are burning, and the light turns night into day. It's a time to stake it, or make it or break it, for the time flies quickly away. Oh, it's a time to start making your mark, and it's a time to... Time to get in the game. Everybody's moving, nothing stays the same.
These are great to take to trade shows and anywhere else that you need a portable swage block. These are 5 inches by 5 inches and weigh approximately 8 pounds. As I turn it over, there's a lot of nice different shapes that you can use, like V shapes, V swages, as well as the half rounds here. And then I also have a lot of different shapes here you can use for small spoons, as well as the small half dome shapes here for setting rivets on. I specifically made these 3 half rounds or concaves for setting a 3/16 inch rivets, fits perfectly in here for setting that, and then a 1/4 inch rivets for the heads, and then a 3/8 inch rivets. So those, I use these all the time for setting rivets for different things. But these are great for portable blacksmithing. Today I will be showing you how to grind these 5-inch swage blocks with a burr on the end of the air tool here. These usually take about 15-20 minutes to clean up. And they're made out of cast ductile iron.
Upwards, outwards, all around, reaching for the sky. Rivers of highway and roads of steel. It's a time to be alive. Oh, ain't no reaching river.
I usually get an 80 grits flap disc here.
Can't cross, no giant too tall to be slain. Everybody's moving. Nothing stays the same. Nothing stays the same. Let me tell you, nothing stays the same. Nothing stays the same. But nothing stays the same. Yep. Nothing stays the same. Let me tell you, nothing stays.